Garage door won't open? Did you know that most garage door repairs are caused by a broken spring? Like these? Well, don't let a broken garage door spring ruin your day. Pick up the phone and call the quick response team at Fenner Garage Doors. Al Fenner and his crew will have you fixed up in no time flat with fast, friendly service. If you are in Orange or Osceola County, call 407-385-3865. In Lake County, call 352-404-4271, and in Polk County, call 863-588-4468. We have 24/7 emergency service with no extra fees. Imagine fast, friendly service at fair and reasonable prices. What more can you ask for? Once again, those numbers for the quick response team are: in Orange and Osceola County, call 407-385-3865. In Lake County, call 352-404-4271. And in Polk County, call 863-588-4468. Call us right now. You'll be glad you did.